In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Notion page to another workspace. First, open the Notion page you want to copy in your web browser. It's a good idea to confirm you are on the correct page, and that any subpages or databases you want to keep are nested inside it, since they'll come along for the ride. Next, click the Share button in the top right corner of the page and select Publish. Publishing makes a public version of the page available, which is especially helpful if you need to duplicate the content into a different account or a workspace where direct moving isn't possible. While you are in the Publish settings, toggle Allow Duplicate as Template to On. This permission is important. It tells Notion that others, including you in another workspace, can make a copy of the page structure and content. Now click Copy Web Link. This gives you a shareable link to the published page. You can keep this link handy in case you need it for reference or to duplicate the page elsewhere, such as when working across different accounts. Back in your sidebar, right-click the page you are working with and select Duplicate. This creates a fresh copy of the page inside your current workspace. Duplicating ensures you have a safe working copy, so the original stays untouched. The duplicate will usually appear directly under the original with Copy in its title, and it will include any subpages and most content blocks. Open the newly created page and click the three dot icon in the top right. From the menu, choose Move To. This command is what sends the page to a different location. When the Move dialog opens, select the target workspace from the drop-down menu. If you are a member of that workspace, you'll see it listed. Choose it, and Notion will begin moving the page and its nested content, depending on the size of the page and any databases inside it. The move might take a moment. When it's done, you'll find the page in the sidebar of the destination workspace. To recap, you published the page, allowed duplication, copied the link for safekeeping, made a duplicate locally, then moved that duplicate to the workspace you chose. This approach keeps your original intact while giving you a clean copy where you need it. If anything looks different after the move, check database filters, relations, and permissions, as those can behave differently across workspaces. Thanks for watching.